Welcome to this beginner tutorial on Google Illuminate AI. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples to get you started with this powerful tool. Google Illuminate AI is a cutting-edge technology that enables users to analyze and visualize complex datasets. To begin, navigate to the Google Illuminate AI website and sign in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will be presented with a dashboard that provides an overview of the platform. The dashboard is divided into several sections, including the navigation menu, the workspace, and the toolbar. The navigation menu allows you to access various features and tools within the platform, such as datasets, models, and visualizations. The workspace is where you will spend most of your time, as it provides a canvas for you to upload, analyze, and visualize your data. The toolbar offers a range of options for customizing your experience, including settings, help, and feedback. To upload a dataset, click on the Upload button and select the file you want to work with. Google Illuminate AI supports a wide range of file formats, including CSV, Excel, and JSON. Once your data is uploaded, you can begin to analyze and visualize it using the various tools and features provided by the platform. One of the key features of Google Illuminate AI is its ability to automatically generate models and visualizations based on your data. This can be a huge time saver, as it eliminates the need to manually create models and visualizations from scratch. To access this feature, click on the Auto Generate button and select the type of model or visualization you want to create. Best practices for using Google Illuminate AI include starting with a clear understanding of your data and what you want to achieve. It is also important to explore and experiment with different tools and features to get the most out of the platform. Additionally, be sure to regularly save and back up your work to avoid losing progress. In conclusion, Google Illuminate AI is a powerful tool that can help you unlock insights and value from your data. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and practicing good habits, you can become proficient in using this technology to drive business outcomes and informed decision making. With its intuitive interface and automated features, Google Illuminate AI is an ideal solution for beginners and experienced users alike.